Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. So, Xiaomi launched their Mi 10T series with the three phone Mi 10T, Mi 10T Pro, and Mi 10 Lite. The Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro are the first Xiaomi phones with a 144Hz display. Better yet, the flat LCD have an adaptive refresh rate and can go up to as low 30 Hz to fit content. There are intermediate modes too, like 48 for movies, 60 Hz for regular video, and 90 and 120 Hz also. First of all, we're talking about the Mi 10T Pro version. The display measures 6.67-inch in diagonal and have 1080p plus resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio. They are HDR10 plus certified and put up to 650 nits at full blast. The front is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and another Gorilla Glass 5 sheet cover of the back. The frame are made of the aluminum alloy and there are fingerprint reader embedded in the side. Both phones are powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset, non-plus, and run MIUI 12 based on the Android 10. They have 5000 mAh battery that can be charged rapidly using the including 33-volt brick charger. The Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro has a triple camera starting 108 megapixel module, the 1 by 1.33 sensor feature 4 in 1 binding for 27 million and 1.6 pixel, and the f1.7 lens added optical image stabilization, video recording modes 8K at 30 fps. Next is 123 field ultra wide camera with a 13 megapixel sensor, 1 by 0.12 pixel f2.4 lens. The third module is the 5 megapixel macro camera that can focus between 2 cm and 10 cm. On the front, 20 megapixel camera is embedded in a punch hole. It supports HDR and night mode and 120 fps slow motion. The Xiaomi Mi 10T is nearly identical. Expect that the main camera is 64 megapixel sensor, 1 by 1.7 in size, meaning 16 million of same 1.6 pixel. After binding, the lens is a dimmer f1.9 and lack OIS. The camera can still 8K video. However, the 13 and 5 megapixel macro and 20 megapixel selfie camera are identical. Both phones offer stereo speaker, high resolution audio certification, and X-axis liner vibration motor for impressive multimedia experience. The Xiaomi Mi 10T camera aside, the only remaining difference between the two models are storage and of course price. The Mi 10T Pro has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB and 256 GB storage. The non-Pro Mi 10T start with 6 GB. There are 8 GB option, but in both cases you get 128 GB of storage. These two are 5G phone with a 2 SIM slot, Wi-Fi 6 and NFC and IR blaster. The price of the non-Pro Mi 10T 6 GB and 128 GB of available in Europe soon. Price is €500. The version with 8 GB of RAM is plus a €550 more. The Mi 10T Pro 8 GB and 128 GB starting price €600 and double if you want to storage 256 GB. You can add €50 more, so €650 more price of the 8 GB with 256 GB of storage. For the Mi 10T Lite, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite is the budget-friendly model in the T series. Even so, it maintains some of the best features. They include a 6.67-inch LCD with adaptive refresh rate. It goes up to 120 Hz. The other two as a 144 Hz, but it's not huge difference, and has multiple intermediate step down 30 Hz. The Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite HDR10 certified display at 1080p plus resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio, and promise 84% NTSC color coverage and 450 nits of brightness. The phone is also armed with a dual speaker and high resolution audio certification. Like the Mi 10T, the Lite has 64 megapixel main camera on the back based in 1 by 1.7 sensor, 1.6 pixel after 4 in 1 binding. The ultra wide camera 120 degree gets an 8 megapixel sensor. Then there are 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel deep sensor. The 16 megapixel front selfie camera inside in a punch hole in the Gorilla Glass 5 protected display. There are Gorilla Glass 5 on the back too, as well as fingerprint reader on the side, but unlike its T series friend, there are no mention of an aluminum alloy frame. The Mi 10T Lite is the first phone to power by the Snapdragon 750G chipset. This is 8nm chipset, feature a built-in 5G modem, the X52C in the Snapdragon 8 765. It offers sub-6 connectivity along with a slight performance boost over the S6 730G, plus 20% CPU performance and 10% GPU performance. The Lite model gets the same 33-volt fast charging as the two more premium 10T model and nearly the same battery capacity, 4820 mAh. This one even outdid and the more premium sibling by having 3.5mm headphone jack. The Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite will be available two configurations, 6GB and 64GB of storage of €280 and 128GB storage with a 6GB of RAM. Price €330. Xiaomi made a big deal of what it called honest price, and for its fan it will offer an early bird deal. The 64GB plus 6GB configuration will be available on Amazon and Mi.com on October 13 at price is €250. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you like this new series of the Xiaomi Mi 10T, Mi 10T Lite and Mi 10T Pro? So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.